Hello everyone. As in the previous session, we have learned about the concept of bank reconciliation statement. Now in this session, we'll be discussing about the format of bank reconciliation statement and we'll solve some question based on BRS. Now, the format of BRS is, first column is of serial number, second is of transactions or particulars, third is plus item and fourth column is of minus item. Now, at the first of the transaction, we will write the balance as per passbook or balance as per cash book. It will be given in the question whether balance is as per cash book or as per passbook. Then, if the favorable balance is given, it will be written in plus item, and unfavorable or overdraft balance is written on minus item. Now, after this, there will be 2-3 transactions. The transaction may be of plus item also, minus item also. So after 2-3 transactions, this will be the closing balance or balance at the end of the month. Now, if the opening balance is as per cash book, then the closing balance will be as per passbook. And if the opening balance is as per passbook, then the closing balance will be as per cash book. Now, here in plus item, whatever balance remaining will be known as overdraft or unfavorable balance. And the balance remaining in minus item will be known as favorable balance. So this will be more clear by solving the question. Now in BRS, we have to adjust the book whose starting point is given. Now if the starting point of book is given in the question as cash book, so we have to record all the transaction from the cash book perspective. Okay, we will not consider the passbook perspective. For example, if our cash book balance is increasing, then here we have to decrease the cash book balance. Okay, and if the starting point is passbook, then we will record all the transaction from passbook perspective. We will not record the transaction from perspective of cash book. So, if the balance in passbook is decreasing, so to reconcile that amount, we will increase the balance of passbook. So, this is how the bank reconciliation statement is prepared. Now, here is question number 3 of NCERT, page number 175. Now, according to this question says, the cash book shows a bank balance of rupees 7800. On comparing the cash book with passbook, the following discrepancies were recorded. So here, there is a cash balance given in the question. So here we will write balance as per cash book, which means in this question we will record all the transaction from the perspective of cash book. Now the balance is given in positive, so here it is a favorable balance. We will write this balance in plus item 7800. Now the first transaction is check deposited in bank but not credited. Now here, check deposited in bank but not credited means when the check has been deposited into the bank, the businessman has increased his cash book. Here in cash book, the balance is increased. To reconcile this balance, we will write this amount in minus column. जब कैश चेक डिपॉजिट हुआ होगा बैंक में लेकिन वो क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ, तो जब चेक डिपॉजिट हुआ है बैंक में, बिजनेसमैन क्या करता है, अपनी कैश बुक में उस अमाउंट को इंक्रीज कर देगा, जबकि वो क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ है. तो इस अमाउंट को रिकंसाइल करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस बैलेंस को माइनस आइटम में रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा. सो वी विल रिकॉर्ड 3000 इन माइनस आइटम. नाउ सेकेंड ट्रांजेक्शन इज check issued but not yet presented for payment. So in this transaction, check has been issued but it has not been presented for payment. So when check is issued, businessman will deduct the amount from his cash book, but it is not presented for payment. So to reconcile the statement, we will record this amount on plus column. An amount is 1500. चेक इशू किया है लेकिन अभी प्रेजेंट नहीं किया पेमेंट के लिए. सो चेक इशू करने में बिजनेसमैन क्या करेगा, कैश बुक में से वो अमाउंट डिडक्ट कर देगा, लेकिन अभी वो पेमेंट पे नहीं गया है, इसलिए हम उसको क्या कर देंगे, उस बैलेंस को रिकंसाइल करने के लिए प्लस आइटम में 1500 का अमाउंट रिकॉर्ड कर देंगे. नाउ थर्ड ट्रांजेक्शन इज इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम. इंश्योरेंस premium paid by the bank 2000. Now here insurance premium is paid by the bank. जब इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम बैंक ने पे की होगी तो अपने पासबुक से वो अमाउंट डिडक्ट कर दिया होगा, लेकिन क्या बिजनेसमैन तक वो अमाउंट अभी पहुंचा नहीं है. सो बिजनेसमैन की कैश बुक में वो अमाउंट इंक्रीज्ड बैलेंस शो किया होगा, तो यहाँ पे हम उसको क्या करेंगे, डिक्रीज बैलेंस शो करेंगे 2000, so that it can reconcile. To reconcile that amount, we will record the amount on minus item. Now, next transaction is bank interest. Bank interest credit by the bank. Now here interest has been credited by the bank, but the businessman has not received that interest yet. That means the cash book will show an increased balance only. To reconcile that balance, we will write that amount in the plus item, and the amount is 400. Now next transaction is bank charges. Bank charges. So in this transaction, the bank has charged interest to the customer. So this charges has not reached to the customer or the businessman yet. So the businessman cash book will show a increased balance only. To reconcile this balance, we will show this balance on minus item. And the last transaction is directly deposited by a customer. In this transaction, the amount has been deposited by the customer directly, which means the amount is deposited into the bank directly. So when the amount is deposited, this amount will show a reduced balance in the cash book. To reconcile that amount, we will record that transaction in plus item, and the amount is 4000. So here is how you have to record the amount to reconcile the balance. If the checkbook is showing, first of all we have to record all the transaction from the perspective of cash book only. If the cash book is showing a credit balance or a decreased balance, to reconcile that balance we will increase that amount, and if the cash book is showing a increased balance, to reconcile that balance we will decrease that amount. Now at the end, as we know, opening balance is as per cash book, so balance at the end will be balance as per passbook. Here is how you have to record the amount to reconcile the statement. Now in the first, we have to record the balance as per cash book. Balance as per cash book means we will record all the transaction from the perspective of cash book. If in the cash book there is a increased balance, to reconcile that we have to decrease that balance. So now we will add both the column and we will see which column is having a greater value. So we can see plus column is having a greater value of rupees 13,700. So we will record this value on both the column, 13,700, 13,700. So here balance as per passbook in minus item will be 8,600. This is the balance as per passbook. So this balance is a favorable balance, because we know that when the closing balance is in the minus item, it is considered as favorable balance. So this is how question based on BRS is solved. In the next session, we will solve some more questions. That's all for today. Thank you.